Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 12.3 question number 3. Find the value of the following expressions when x is equal to minus 1. Let us find the value. Number 1 is 2x minus 7. The value of x is equal to minus 1. So we can write it here as 2 into minus 1. 2 into minus 1 plus 2 into minus 1 that is 2 into minus 1 minus 7 that we are getting minus 2 minus 7 minus 2 minus 7 is equal to minus 9. This is the answer. Now question number 2 is minus x plus 2. The value of x is minus 1 minus of the value of x is minus 1 plus 2 is equal to minus into minus plus 1 plus 2 that comes to 3. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is x square plus 2x plus 1. The value of x is minus 1, that is minus 1 whole square plus 2 into minus 1 plus 1, that is minus 1 whole square is minus 1 into minus 1 is 1 plus into minus is minus 2 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, that is 2 minus 2, that comes to 0, right? Therefore the answer of 3 is 0. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is here you see is question number 4 is 2x square minus x minus 2. You get the value 2 into x square. The value of x is minus 1, that is minus 1 whole square minus the value of x is minus 1 minus 2. This is minus 2. This is minus 2. Then you are getting 2 into minus 1 is 1. Minus into minus plus 1 minus 2. That is 202 plus 1 minus 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 minus 2. The value of 3 minus 2 is 1. Right? In this way you can find the values. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.